So before I went any further, I noticed that my window control was rattly. So in the process of taking the door panel apart, I figured I would take this off and see what the rattling was all about. And this is what I found. This little guy right here, these guys basically aren't connected anyway. They're just kind of floating. And interestingly enough, these are the door controls. So when I place this one in here like so and push down, it would appear as though that's trying to activate the door locking mechanism. This is the one that fell out, the one on the left. That's the one that was rattling around in the door handle. Geez, sorry for the shaky video. So see, you got that, which is the lock, and it is working them all. And then you got this one, which is, but since I got keys in the ignition, it obviously wants to keep it open the whole time. No biggie. So I got to figure out how these things are supposed to stay in there. But it looks like I won't have to reassemble that, or disassemble the entire door. It looks like I'll just have to figure out how that's supposed to stay in there, and I should be good to go. All right.